Okay, so basically last night I came back from Atlanta and I just started working. I just woke up, washed my face, the whole 9 yards. And so now I'm gonna try to clean up. Not gonna lie to y'all, I'm talking to my cousin. She's gonna keep me company. I'm overwhelmed, but I have absolutely no right to be overwhelmed because no one sent me. Literally no one sent me. I woke up and said, Nadia, I love your house this morning. And I did. So now I am having anxiety. I would like my house back because this ain't it. And part of the problem is no one is staying on schedule. This was supposed to be a 2-week project. busy when you're this and that. 2 weeks. Like, I was like, okay, you coming Monday? All right. My electrician coming Wednesday? All right. Bring the guy Thursday? All right. Paint. This was supposed to be like, the longest was 2 weeks. We in week 3. Was it? We're not 3 in. I don't know what to do at this point. I mean, honestly, I'm really trying not to stress myself out because, again, no one sent me. But y'all, I would like to have my house back just for one day. Like, forget Christmas, forget everything. I would just like to have my house back. And right about now, I'm building. And so the trim guy this morning, I was like, hey, what time can I expect you? He was like, can I come Tuesday or Wednesday? I said, no, we spoke. You said you was coming. I'm gonna go to Home Depot this morning. I'm gonna pick up all the material because it's really not that much trim. I'm saying that as if like I'm doing the work, but honestly, I'm looking at it. It's really not that much work because all he has to do is do the base trim to go down here. And honestly, if he can come and cut it, I can come do that. I just don't know how to cut. And I'm sure if I really put my mind to it, I can do it.
It looks good though. I mean, you did a hell of a job.
Thank you.
The dream understood the assignment.
The dream understood the assignment. Me, on the other hand, I'm frustrated. Like, the dream did not have the schedule booked and ready. The dream did not predict all of this goings on. Because I'm just like, are y'all really not going to come? I know it's Thanksgiving and you want to spend time with your family, but y'all don't have bills? No? No bills?
Yeah.
So I have to go to Home Depot to pick up some more material.
You gotta go where?
Home Depot.
So you guys, what I am doing now is essentially what I was doing last night. If you saw the previous video, I'm removing all of the old paper. I'm sure you guys can see there's so much dust because not the X board, but the standard brown paper just kind of ripped in different areas and the dust got everywhere. One, I wasn't home when the guys were sanding. So, you know, whatever they did, they just did. So today I'm just really trying to keep up with the cleaning. So I'm sweeping everything, moving things out the way. That way I don't have such a huge cleanup. And also because I took the tape off the floor, I'm now going to take the new brown paper and I'm going to be sliding it underneath the brown paper. That way no tape is touching the floor at all. Again, just trying to make things a whole lot easier when it comes to the overall cleaning of the house. Keep in mind that I will be linking most of these items in the description box down below. So when you start your reno project, you'll at least have a starting point. On my own, but I'm never So moving on to the kitchen, my purpose for this area here, again, is just to kind of clean everything up. I had purchased some florals, did the whole thing on Instagram. Hopefully you caught it. It was absolutely beautiful. But it's been here now for about a week and a half and the flowers started to die. So I'm pouring out the water, cleaning everything off, getting the kitchen wiped off as good as possible. That way I can go ahead and make breakfast for the boys. To wherever I want, and you see I'll go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within, holding on to a feeling so strong. On my own, clean and I am going to go ahead and start making breakfast for the boys. I shared this in a previous video, but my oldest is a pescatarian and my youngest, we're just eating everything. So for him, I'm going to do just the eggs and the bagel and then some sweet plantains. And then for my youngest, I'm going to be doing, and myself, I'm going to be doing the sweet plantain and the sausage. I just add a little bit of olive oil into the pan, lightly kind of pan sear the plantains because they're sweet, so I don't have to do a whole lot of cooking. This is just like something really quick that I can make for the boys, and it's like a substitute for a potato. That way it will give me a couple of hours of cleaning without me having to stop and get the, Mom, I'm hungry. I'm sure you guys know that. Meanwhile, thanks to my cousin, while she's doing schoolwork, she's also keeping me company, which again, I appreciate you, cuz, and I love you.
Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything.
So now I have showered and changed. Like I said earlier, I had stopped cleaning and doing things because the boys were hungry, so I had to make them something to eat. So I'm pretty much right back at it again. I'm going to be moving everything out the way, doing some sweeping, some light dusting, fully cleaning the kitchen again. The kitchen's going to get dirty again, I know. But again, it just really helps along the way not to have so much dust accumulating in the house. And with the boys being here, it just gets everywhere. I want to share one thing with you guys really quickly. I am changing out 2 of the outlet plugs into these chargers here. They're really, really good. I can't keep a plug to save my life and I can't keep a base to save my life. But this right here helps because I get to plug in my USB without an issue whatsoever. I'm going to be linking it down below. I got it from Home Depot. And like I said, I'm going to be changing out 2, the window seat and also the one in the living room, because I tend to sit in those areas more than anywhere else in the house. But let's go ahead and jump right back into the cleaning. I'm going to be sweeping, getting everything up off the floor, and then I'm going to be adding down the new brown paper. part of construction that I feel like people really don't share, which I think is the worst part. Coming up with the idea, the concept, we're going in is amazing. It's the cleanup. I was literally up till about 2 o'clock in the morning, wiping down the countertops, wiping inside the pantry, wiping the floors, the fridge. There was dust pretty much every single nook and cranny of the house. By the time I got done, I was so exhausted. I honestly didn't have energy to do anything else. I think I just kind of melted right into my sheets when I got into the bed. I still wouldn't take back this project because I love it. But again, it was just a lot because not only did I have to do a deep cleaning of the kitchen, but then I had to go upstairs and wash laundry that I had already washed, but I left it in the loft. And so when I went upstairs, there was like fine dust on the clothes. There was dust on the credenza. And so I ended up calling my cleaning person. But as you guys know, when it comes to the deep cleaning of the house, I handle that. She does more of like the surface things. So I will say, keep in mind that when you're doing these projects, like this is a lot. And it's especially a lot when you're by yourself. So just wanted to share that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, but it's a lot of work. So I'm washing the dishes, washing the pots and pans. Some of these have already been washed, but I just want to kind of go over it again because dust did get inside some of the drawers. Just want to wipe everything down, cleaning the countertops off. I just sprayed some of the Caldrea on the counters just to kind of wipe everything down. Like I said, I know in a couple of days, I'm going to have to come right back here and do this all over again. I think now I'm a week out of this project being completed and I am still wiping the counters down. I'm going into the fridge. There's a few things that it was time for it to go out. I'm going to go ahead and get that done because I want to go ahead and get some groceries into the fridge for the week. That way the boys have something to snack on. But yeah, I'm pretty much going to spend the rest of the night cleaning.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you.
All right, you guys, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this trash bin, it is from Container Store. I have it screwed under my cabinets. And like I said before, by this time, I am exhausted because although the kitchen looks really good, I know I still have my office. I know that I still have other areas downstairs that I have to wipe down. But like I said, I'm going to be leaving this trash bin in the description box down below. That way, if you guys are interested, you can grab it. But for right now, I'm going to close the video off here. I don't think I recorded the cleaning the other areas of the house because I will be doing another clean with me and giving you guys some tips on how to get like paint up, all of that. But y'all have a really good day. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.